Okay guys, in this video we're talking about new airdrop project, okay, which is the Bitcoin based airdrop, BCB. Okay, so this is how to participate on the platform. This is the S account, okay, this is the S profile. All right, you can see here, right, Bitcoin base, which is BCB, that's the ticker. Okay, it's a secured and user-friendly digital currency. Payment are instantly, easy and near zero fee. Okay, so guys, don't miss out. Now they are still on 2,153 followers for now. Okay, this project was launched on the August 27th 2026 10:00 USDC. Okay, so guys, don't miss out. Stay patient on this platform, stay active, complete the tasks. Okay, also claim your daily bonuses. All right, always check the platform on daily basis for new tasks. Okay, so don't miss out guys. Stay active, stay position, and get on board, get on board, get on board. So if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification so that whenever I drop any video, you'll be the first to get notified about my video. All right, so don't miss out guys. Stay patient, stay active. Let's go. Already on the Telegram channel, just click on this link. Okay, you will see here, right? Click on it, then start the boot. Okay, when you click on it now, you start the boot. All right, then you open the airdrop, then you click on join airdrop. Click on it, join airdrop. So these are the tasks for you to complete. Okay, so you can see here, let's go back. You can see here, right? So Bitcoin based airdrop center. Okay, so you can read through all these things by yourself to understand more of what is coming from the project. Okay, so click on join airdrop, click on it. So you'll be asked to create your wallet. All right, after creating your wallet, I already dropped the link to the website to create your wallet. Create your wallet. Once you are done, you come to this place, complete the task. Okay, submit wallet address, and then you are done. Then verify that you're not a bot. Okay, visit the website, come here, come back and verify it. Okay, so that's it. So click on friends, invite friends. All right, click on open friend, then copy your own link. Okay, copy your own link and invite your friends and loved ones to the project. Okay, very important. Now click on wallet. Once you are done, click on wallet. So on this place now, you click on claim. Okay, you can see here I already claimed this 30 BCB. Okay, and it has been sent to my wallet. All right, so go. Okay, so you can see here, right, they say starting from September 26 2026 soon. Now view airdrop info. Click on it to get more understanding about the project. Okay, so to take to the website, you can see here, right, this is the website. Okay, so read through every single thing. Community airdrop, 13% of Bitcoin base is allocated to the airdrops across 2 seasons. So they have season 1 and they have season 2. Okay, so now we are on the season 1, so season 2 is coming up shortly. Okay, so stay active, stay position, and don't miss out. Okay, read through every single thing here and you are good to go. So stay position guys, don't miss out. Turn on the bell notification so that whenever I drop a new video, you get notified immediately about my video. And most importantly again, use the link below this video and join our Telegram channel, and also stay positioned for new exclusive update like this. All right, so do not miss out guys. Stay positioned, stay active, and see you on the next one. Peace.